Good morning, day traders. You're welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nidachina. A number of Americans employed in the non-farm sector in August fell short of analyst expectations. A day earlier, the US released the data on non-farm employment in the private sector, which also failed to live up to the forecasts. That day, traders were alarmed by the other breaking news. The European Central Bank announced their unexpected decision to curb the benchmark interest rate and launch the quantitative easing program. Nevertheless, the US jobs market kept flat on Friday. To make things worse, the real figures were almost twice lower than the forecasts. Economists expected the US jobs market to add 222,000 employed people. However, instead of it, the labor market recorded just 142,000 growth. Besides, the unemployment print confirmed the forecast of a drop to 6.1% after 6.2% previously, mainly driven by an employment decline among young Americans. Experts are sure that slowdown of employment growth will last for the whole second half of 2014. Indeed, accelerated economic recovery will enable businesses to raise wages. Thus, it will push up a number of Americans who are keen to keep their jobs for an extended period. Nevertheless, disappointing employment data calmed down some traders with a bullish bias towards the US dollar. At the same time, Canada also published the jobs market figures, which discouraged experts likewise. Both the US dollar and Canadian dollar were keeping balance. As a result, the currency pair was trading flat at $1 Canadian dollar 8.80 cents. According to the final data, the employment rate in Canada showed a negative dynamic in August, shrinking 11,000 people. In contrast, analysts expected the labor market to rise by 10,300 employed people. Meanwhile, the unemployment rate stayed flat at 7% in August. It was ИнстаФорекс News and me, Kate Nidachina. See you next release.